Job boards are like treasure chests waiting to be unlocked. And in 2025, there are more ways than ever to turn them into a steady income stream. Let's dive into some practical methods that can help you cash in on these platforms. First up, freelance jobs. If you have a skill, be it writing, graphic design, or coding, job boards are your best friend. Sites like Upwork and Freelancer are packed with opportunities. The key is to create a standout profile. Think of it as your digital storefront. Showcase your best work, gather testimonials, and don't be afraid to niche down. Clients love specialists. And remember, when you apply for jobs, tailor your proposals. A generic pitch is like a one-size-fits-all shirt. It rarely fits anyone well. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Many job boards offer affiliate programs where you can earn a commission for every referral. If you have a blog or a social media following, this can be a gold mine. Write reviews of job boards or create content around job-seeking tips and include your affiliate links. Just make sure to disclose that you're using affiliate links. Transparency builds trust, and trust leads to conversions. Now, if you're feeling entrepreneurial, why not start your own job board? It sounds daunting, but with platforms like WordPress and job board plugins, it's easier than ever. Focus on a niche that you're passionate about. Think remote tech jobs or creative gigs. Build a community around it. And soon enough, you could charge employers for listings or offer premium memberships for job seekers. Just remember, it's all about providing value. If you can connect job seekers with their dream jobs, you'll have a loyal audience. Curating job newsletters is another fantastic way to make money. People are busy and they appreciate having job opportunities delivered straight to their inbox. You can gather listings from various job boards and send them out weekly. Monetize your newsletter through sponsorships or affiliate links. Plus, you can add a personal touch. Share your own job hunting stories or tips. It keeps your audience engaged and makes your newsletter more than just a list of jobs. Lastly, consider offering services to job board owners. Many of them struggle with marketing or content creation. If you have skills in SEO, social media, or even graphic design, reach out to them. You could help them improve their visibility or create engaging content that attracts more users. It's a win-win. They get more traffic, and you get paid for your expertise. Throughout all these methods, don't forget to inject a bit of humor and personality into your interactions. People connect with people, not faceless profiles. Share your own job hunting mishaps or the time you accidentally applied for a job you were hilariously unqualified for. It makes you relatable and keeps your audience coming back for more. So whether you're freelancing, affiliate marketing, or starting your own job board, the opportunities are endless. Embrace the journey, stay persistent, and who knows, you might just find that treasure chest overflowing with cash.